Eugene was the first person to declare himself a Christian, and that was in the year 300. In the year 300 AD, after Jesus, peace be upon him, he left the earth. So they were not Christians in the first 300 years. They were only believers in God, and they submitted their will to God, and therefore they were Muslims. See, my brothers and sisters, we should rather ask the question, who were the authors of the New Testament? Who were they? Who were Matthew, Mark, Luke and John? Indeed, don't we need to know where they were from and who they were? And how can we know who they were by using first names? Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah wa anna ashhadu Muhammad Rasulullah. Takbir.